Today, we aren't just reviewing another SUV. Today, we are stepping into a future that was once only a dream. This is the 2026 BYD Song Plus, a machine that has arrived to rewrite history, shattering every old concept of power, luxury, and driving forever. Welcome back. Today is for those who refuse to be part of the crowd, those who have the guts to leave the world behind and lead the pack. Listen, have you ever felt the world come to a standstill when you hit the road? Have you ever imagined a vehicle that isn't just metal, but a predator? The BYD Song Plus 2026 is that machine. Every single inch, every curve, and every flash of its brilliance screams one thing: BYD is no longer just a player, they are the undisputed king of the game. This is a masterpiece of beautiful destruction that has left the giants of the German automotive world in absolute shock. Hidden beneath the hood is BYD's next-gen 1.5L turbocharged hybrid powertrain. This isn't just an engine, it's a hurricane. When this engine joins forces with the dual electric motors, it unleashes a staggering 430 horsepower that will pin you to your seat. And 472 pound-feet of torque. That is the kind of raw power that can tear through mountains. Do you understand what this means? It means instant electric acceleration. The moment your foot touches the pedal, this car doesn't just move, it strikes like a bolt of lightning. 0 to 60 in just 4.7 seconds. This is the kind of speed that used to be reserved for elite supercars, but today, BYD has packed it into a family SUV, shaking the entire world to its core. But wait, the real shocker is yet to come. Have you ever heard of a car with this much power that doesn't drain your bank account? Yes, we're talking about a 1,200-kilometer combined range. Fill the tank once, charge it once, and literally forget where the gas stations are on the map. This is BYD's cutting-edge DM Super Hybrid system, which has written a new chapter in efficiency. This vehicle is a lethal combination of electric innovation and gas-powered endurance that makes every competitor look obsolete. The moment you hit the road, the Song Plus feels like a living, breathing entity. Balanced, confident, and incredibly refined. The adaptive suspension recalibrates itself to every road. Whether you're navigating tight city streets or those treacherous mountain passes where other cars give up, the Song Plus prowls like a lion. The steering is so sensitive and sharp that every turn makes the car feel like an extension of your own body. This is precision engineering shouting to the world, the future is now. Now, step inside, but hold on to your heart, because the interior will blow your mind. As the door opens, you enter a realm where only luxury and technology reign supreme. You've never seen a blend of minimalism and futurism quite like this. Premium Nappa Leather seats that make you feel like you're in a palace, ambient LED lighting with 31 different colors to match your mood, and the 12-speaker Dyno sound system. When it plays, it feels like the world's greatest concert hall is in the palm of your hand. The noise cancellation system keeps the cabin so silent that even at 140 kilometers per hour, the only thing you'll hear is your own heartbeat. And that 15.6-inch rotating touchscreen. It's not just a screen, it's the command center, the brain of the beast. BYD's intelligent D-Link system is so fast it works before you even finish your thought. Whether it's wireless Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, everything is just a gesture away. Behind the wheel, you get a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster giving you real-time data on everything from hybrid insights to performance metrics. Everything is right in front of you. But guys, the ultimate question, at what price? Get ready, because the answer might make the ground shift beneath your feet. With these many features, this much power, and this level of luxury, the 2026 BYD Song Plus is expected to start at approximately $35,000 in the USA market, while in markets like the UAE, it's available for around 115,000 United Arab Emirates dirhams. This isn't just a deal, it's a steal. Delivering this level of technology at this price is something only BYD can pull off. This car is for those who know the true value of their money and want to grab the future today. The design language is so bold and aggressive that traffic literally stops when it rolls by. The 19-inch alloy wheels and the aerodynamic body slice through the air with ease. It features the legendary Blade battery technology, recognized as the safest battery in the world. Whether it's fire or a high-impact collision, this battery keeps you protected at all times. BYD has proven they don't just build cars, they build a passion. Are you ready to be part of this storm? Are you ready to leave behind those who are still living in yesterday? If you have the fire of speed in your blood and you want to show the world who the real Alpha is, then this car was built specifically for you. This isn't just a machine, it's your new status. Friends, if this video has ignited the spark of speed inside you, and you want to see more explosive, powerful, and mind-blowing car reviews, don't wait. Subscribe to RPM Auto right now. Hit that red button and click the bell icon so our next explosion reaches you first. Join us at RPM Auto, because here, we don't just show cars, we give you a tour of the future. Until next time, keep your passion alive, drive safe, and rule the road.